Okay, so yan guys. Welcome sa another topic natin sa Amazon SEO, which is the back-end search term optimization. Okay, so ano nga ba si back-end search term or ano ba yung back-end keywords? So Amazon back-end search terms are keywords or phrases that are used to help Amazon search algorithm find and display your product in relevant search results. Okay, so ito technically hindi ito makikita sa product detail page. Ito is lalagay lang natin sa backend or dun sa Amazon Seller Central. Okay? So there will be an option there. Okay? So para mailagay itong backend search terms. Okay? And for the demonstration of the live account yan, you can ask me in case you need na makita yung backend search terms, and I will provide you a live demo for that. Okay? Yan. Alright. Now, here are some tips for optimizing the backend search terms. So ito yung mga techniques para ma-meet natin yung requirement ng backend search terms. Okay guys? Yan. So first of all is you use relevant keywords. So include the most important and relevant keywords that customer might use when searching for your product. Okay? Kung natatandaan nyo yung natin, yung sa Siri profile. Okay? So yung galing sa keyword research. So, doon tayo maghahanap. O doon natin hahanapin yung pwede natin gamitin sa back-end search term. Okay? Yan. Alright? And then, avoid repetition. Okay? So, don't repeat keywords that are already in your product title or bullet points. Okay? As this can be seen as spammy by Amazon and may negatively impact your search ranking. Yan. So, hindi tayo pwede mag-spam. Okay? So, wag na natin gamitin yung mga nagamit natin ng keywords doon sa product title or sa bullet points. Okay? Yan. Alright. Next is, we need to use synonyms and variation. So, include synonyms and variation of your main keywords to capture a broader range of search keywords. Okay? Synonyms, variation, let's say for example, also nandiyan din yung mga complements ng product. Okay? Yan. Alright? Okay, so avoid using brand names of other companies. This can lead to your product being flagged for trademark infringement. Yan, so bawal tayo maglagay ng mga company names. Okay, I will provide you all the prohibited keywords and phrases sa Amazon policy. It will be on your worksheet, guys. So you can check your worksheet para din sa files na yun. Okay, so wag kayo maglalagay ng brand name sa ating back-end search term. Right? Yan. Okay, then use all available characters. So Amazon allows up to 250 bytes per back-end search term. So 250 is the limit. So if ever na let's say for example yung keywords nyo like 248, 249, okay lang yun. 247, okay lang yun. Okay, basta wag kayong lalagpas ng 250. Okay, yan. Alright. Then, sample ng ating master keyword list. Yan. So, ito yung ginamit natin sa keyword research. So, as you can see, itong mga naka-highlight na yellow na to, yan, ginamit na natin yan sa product title. Okay? So, ginamit na natin. Kaya sila naka-highlight. Para hindi na natin sila magamit dito sa ating back-end search term. Ayan. So, ito yung ating back-end search term, and you can see 249 bytes. Okay? Paano ko na-count? Okay? Na 249? Well, we can use this tool, the byte counter, which is going to be provided the link in in our spreadsheet sa BE tool natin. So, yan. Okay? Okay. So, count natin para makita natin sila. So, this one is 248. So, mali ito. 248. Yan. Nagsobra siguro. Okay? Alright. So, okay. So, ganun lang siya guys. So, make sure na maximize nyo yung ibang words dito. And be very vigilant sa paggamit ng mga repeated words. Okay? So, wag na tayong maglagay ng mga repeated words. Okay? Yan. Alright. So, okay. So, yes, I guess that's it. And thank you so much. And I'll see you on the live session. Bye-bye.